A river's middle course is very different from the upper. Not only has the rugged mountainous terrain been replaced by a flatter landscape, waterfalls and whitewater turbulence have given way to meanders in a calm river. Appearances can be deceiving. There's an awful lot going on beneath the river's surface. The fluvial processes of erosion, transportation, and deposition are at work, shaping river landforms such as meanders and oxbow lakes. Now, unlike the upper course, where vertical erosion is dominant, in the middle course there's more lateral erosion. Lateral or sideways erosion occurs in the middle course, where the river discharge is higher. There is a greater volume of water here due to all the water collected from other tributaries. This increased kinetic or moving energy in the river results in a widening and deepening of the river channel. With a smoother riverbed, there's less friction, and so the river's velocity also increases. When rivers flow across flatter landscapes like floodplains, the water doesn't flow in a straight line. It shifts from side to side due to unevenness in the riverbanks and bed. With that in mind, let's look at two landforms found in the middle course, meanders and oxbow lakes. Meanders begin as small bends in the river that gradually increase over time. This is because as the river goes around the bend, most of the water and the energy in it gets pushed to the outer bank. The erosional processes of hydraulic action and abrasion are at work here, wearing away the outer bank and transporting sediment downstream. As lateral erosion continues, the current undercuts the outer bank to form a steep concaved bank or river cliff. On the inner bank, we see the opposite process occurring. You see, material gets deposited here because the current is slower on the inside and therefore has less energy. Over time, material builds up to form a gentle sloping bank of sand, sediment, and pebbles known as a slip-off slope. The bends grow increasingly larger until they form horseshoe-like meanders. Continual erosion can turn meanders into oxbow lakes. As the outer bank of the meander continues to be worn away by erosion and the inner bank increases as a result of deposition, the horseshoe bend becomes tighter and tighter. The neck of the land inside the meander narrows as the erosional processes of hydraulic action and abrasion wear away at it. When a large volume of water surges down through the course during a flood event, the extremely high discharge of water crashes through the neck, forging a new, straighter path. Once the flood has subsided, the river continues along its new course. The original meander has been cut off from the river channel. This horseshoe-shaped body of water that remains is the oxbow lake. Meanders and oxbow lakes show the fluvial processes in action over a relatively short period of time. While waterfalls and gorges often take thousands of years to form, one flood can change the river's course in a matter of weeks.
If you liked this video, you can find it and so many more at ClickView.net. Sign up for free today.